Why are you selling drugs there?
By far, the course's boldest shake-up. The journalism program at the University of Pretoria has seen a number of changes since its inception a few years ago. But the most promising of these is the introduction of the new Code of Ethics. This is aimed at ensuring that these future journalists operate scrupulously. And as they will be involved in the art of telling the truth one day, it's important they start early.
Well, our students, we try to train our students to do the actual work. I mean, our course is fairly practical. It does involve some theory. It involves examination of ethics and examination of the place of the media in society, but we also focus a lot on practical work. So if students are going to do practical work and work as though they are in the media industry already, it's really important that a code of ethics guides them to do that.
Die etiese kode van die journalistieke program van die Universiteit van Pretoria sluit onder andere die volgende beginsels in: akkuraatheid. Feite moet onpartydig en met volle integriteit weergegee word en daar moet duidelik tussen feite en kommentaar onderskei word. Vertel elke kant van 'n storie en probeer om nie direkte aanhalings te verander nie. Personal gain. It's not your place to accept any money, travel goods, discounts, etc. of any kind outside the normal scope of business hospitality, and bribery is not permitted. Beskerm ten alle koste konfidensiële bronne. Identifiseer bronne waar moontlik. Indien 'n bron anoniem wil bly, is dit noodbelangrik om die bron te verseker dat alle inligting konfidensieel gehou sal word.
Ek dink dit is fantasties dat ons hierdie dinge nou al leer. Dit maak ons gereed vir die toekoms, vir praktyk. As ek vandag byvoorbeeld by beeld moet instap en hulle gooi vir my hierdie etiek, gaan ek weet waarvan hulle praat. Ek word nie in die diep kant gegooi nie. Hulle leer vir ons die basiese. Ek dink dit is uitstekend. Dit is 'n wonderlike geleentheid.
It might sound like a cute school project, but these aspiring journalists are serious about their pledge to their new Code of Ethics, committing to the principles of confidentiality, privacy, and accuracy. And as the lecturer Morenet Jordan once said, if your mother said she loves you, check it out first. Tekhan Kekana, UPTV News, University of Pretoria, Tshwane.